I look at the world now through the eyes of someone that may be seeing things for the last time, and that's something that always stays with me. Even though I'm still losing my sight and I've only got a couple of years left probably before the rest of it goes with the way it's declining, knowing that I have helped so many people through the poetry, and hopefully through this ChangeMakers campaign I'm going to be able to impact an even larger audience and even more people. I'm grateful. I wouldn't change my blindness for the world, and if that's the challenge that I've got to go through in losing my sight to do this, then absolutely so be it.